Has your internet felt faster, your streaming smoother, or your coverage better lately? If you're a Rogers customer in Canada, the answer might be a quiet yes, and there's a good reason why. We're well into 2025, and Rogers has been quietly rolling out some massive, game-changing upgrades that affect everything from your morning coffee scrolling to how you watch the game. Forget minor tweaks. 2025 is a year of major foundational shifts for Rogers, driven by enormous network investment and a beefed-up media portfolio. Let's break down the 3 biggest updates you need to know about. The satellite and coverage revolution. First up is the expansion of their wireless footprint, and this is truly groundbreaking for Canadians in remote areas. Rogers has fully launched its satellite-to-mobile service. This isn't just about better cell service in cities, it's about providing coverage in vast, previously unreachable parts of the country. This new technology means they now boast an area of geographic coverage that is 3 times larger than any other Canadian carrier. What does that mean for you? It means connecting to first responders in areas where there was no service before, and a massive boost in network reliability for anyone traveling Canada's remote highways and rural communities. They've also been aggressively expanding their core 5G network, including bringing service to over 4 kilometers of tunnels in the Toronto subway system. More towers, more 5G, and a new layer of satellite coverage, it's a fundamental change to what being connected means across the country. The Internet and Entertainment Overhaul. Next, let's look at your home life, where they're bringing in new next-generation technology. Rogers is leading the way by expanding Wi-Fi 7 technology across Canada. This is the latest generation of Wi-Fi. It's faster, more efficient, and designed to handle the growing number of smart devices in your home. If you have a house full of smart lights, 4K streamers, and gamers, Wi-Fi 7 is the engine that keeps it all running without a stutter. On the entertainment side, the acquisition of Comcast's Xfinity system is translating into new product bundles. They've launched Rogers Xfinity StreamSaver, which bundles 3 popular streaming apps, like Netflix, Disney+, and Apple TV+, into a single, more affordable package. They're trying to simplify the mess of your streaming subscriptions while giving you access to next-gen network performance. The Sports and Media Power Play. Finally, 2025 has seen Rogers become an even bigger player in Canadian sports. Following regulatory approval, Rogers completed a major deal to acquire a majority interest in Maple Leaf Sports and Entertainment, or MLSE. This means they now have a controlling stake in some of Canada's most beloved teams, including the Toronto Maple Leafs, the Toronto Raptors, and Toronto FC. This isn't just a business deal, it directly affects the content you watch on their networks like Sportsnet. Expect a renewed focus on sports content, new programming, and deeper integration of these teams across their various media platforms. This massive investment solidifies Rogers' position as a media powerhouse for the foreseeable future. So, 2025 for Rogers is defined by a huge trifold strategy: massive geographic expansion with satellite to mobile, a home connectivity upgrade to Wi-Fi 7 and new streaming bundles, and a giant move to consolidate their control of Canadian sports entertainment.